Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a GPS-based activation of a camera. If you've bought a used Mercedes-Benz, then I will show you how to reset all of the settings so it is like brand new. I want to say a big thank you to Lucas Mercedes-Benz Wolverhampton for making this video possible. This video is perfect if you own these style screens. So if you have these kind of graphics, just like in this video, then please follow the steps in this video. Now when you're using MBUX, what you can do is you can actually save locations of when you want the cameras to appear. So if I click that button there, you can see this position is already saved. This is really useful if you live on a certain kind of driveway and it's hard for you to park, and using this feature it automatically puts the camera on for you. Now I'll show you what this looks like when you go into a new parking position where it's not saved. I'm just going to show you this in an EQS. This button on the end is a very useful function. It says GPS position saved. In the future, the camera will be auto-activated here. This just means whenever you come to this location, the cameras will automatically come on to save you time and effort to do it yourself. I think that's quite a cool feature. Now, let's say you want to get rid of that one. Let's say it's annoying you. What you can do is click on Home, go to Settings, go to Assistance, and then select Camera. Then you'll press Assistance, then Camera, and then click on GPS based activity. And now I can click on delete all activation positions. I can change it if I want to. I can call it something else if I want. Just click the X and then name it whatever you want and click the OK button. And if I want to delete it, all I do is click on the bin button, delete activation number 12. That's now deleted. Or I can select delete all activation positions. So that's really useful. I can delete all of them just like that. How cool is that? I think that's a fantastic feature. If you've bought a used car, the other solution is just to go to System, scroll all the way down and click on the reset button, and then you can see the reset can take a few minutes. If I click on reset, it will give you a warning message. All your data will be deleted. Some settings can only be reset when the vehicle is stationary. Do you want to reset to factory settings now? Click on yes, and then the car will go back to factory settings for you. So that's a really useful feature. I'm just going to click on no for now. This is the best solution if you've bought a used car. Please subscribe as it really helps me out. Also like the video and comment if you have any suggestions. Also check out the playlists to learn more about the Mercedes models. I also have other playlists which covers certain specific models. So check out that playlist if you want to learn more about your model. Thank you for watching this video.